Hi guys, welcome back. I hope everyone's doing really, really well. Today I thought to myself I would do a hair video on this top knot look that you're seeing here. I think it looks really, really effortless, and you can wear it, you know, daytime, nighttime, team it up with jewellery for more of a nighttime feel, or during the day running errands. I think it looks really, really striking. So I especially like it with the root. I will be getting my roots done for my sister's wedding, but I think with the dark roots it kind of makes a look even better. I think it's more of a grungy kind of vibe, so I love that. So yeah, on my eyes today I have a smoky kind of bronzy copper look with some metallics, and then I have these earrings here are like a sparkly, I don't know what shape they are. They're like obviously curved, but they're probably called a special name, but can't remember. So stay tuned and I will show you how I've achieved this look. Hi guys, so my hair is down now and it's not styled, it's not straightened or curled or anything. I thought I'd just let my hair be, because obviously in the top knot you're not going to be able to, you know, notice. Sorry, the camera's gone weird. You won't notice, you know, what style it's in. So this hairstyle does work better on like 2-day-old hair, or, you know, 3-day. So my hair is kind of, I think it's about 3 days now that it's not been washed, so it does style a lot easier. So the first thing to do is brush your hair out, which I already have done, but obviously it's still kind of a mess at the minute. Yeah, it does look crazy. I'll just go back. I just tip my head over. And by the way, I do wear taping extensions, so you will be able to see the bonds, the taping bits at the side of my hair, which can't be helped really. So, but I think that looks okay, to be honest. Doesn't bother me. So I just brush downwards. Be very careful with your tape-ins. Obviously it's a lot easier if you don't have tape-ins in. And I just take my hair, get it quite tightly together. Can you see? I look horrendous. And I put my hair in a high ponytail like this. Now that looks crazy. So once it's in a high ponytail, I then get hold of my hair, give it another brush like this, and this is the tricky part, because obviously I don't have a mirror, I'm just looking in the viewfinder. I get my hair and I twist it round. It doesn't matter if it's not that neat. I take a big clip here. It's like, I can't remember what these are called, like a special word for it. And I just clip the back. Now these bits here are really annoying because my hair's quite, you know, short around here. The years and years of bleach have like taken its toll. So what I have some hair grips here. And these are mini hair grips, so it's easier to grip your hair up. I just grip all my hair up like this. These are better because they're invisible, kind of, you know, they look so small you can't actually see them on your hair. Inside your hair, I mean. And just grip again. You might need a few, because instead of using a big clip like that, you can actually use one of these salon clips, or, you know, some of these, but I find it's easier to use a big clip. Now I just love this look. It just looks so kind of runway chic kind of look. I've just discovered it, to be honest, just as you know, as on buying. I can't speak today, honestly. I discovered it by an off chance. You know, I wasn't planning on doing this look, and I just thought, you know, once I've done the look, I just think, wow, that looks so good. And obviously, because it's so warm outside, you know, the weather is... Sorry, I have a hair in my eyes. Really annoying me. Oh, ugh, right. Because the weather's so warm, I think I have all my hair bobby pinned. Don't be alarmed if it does look, you know, quite messy, but because that's the whole look of the, you know, the whole point of the look. So what I do, find where my parting is, and just take a bit of hair, not too much, and then middle part it like this. Like that. Take a bit more, I think. And obviously, you know, the tracks of the extensions will show at the side, but like I said, I'm not too bothered. And obviously because your hair, when you have hair like me, you know, with grown out roots, it's slightly more obvious, but I'm not too bothered about that. So what I do now, I just straighten these little bits here. But nothing's, you know, don't have to straighten it properly. Nothing's perfect about this look. It's the whole look is to have like a messy kind of vibe. I don't like my lips at the minute. Right. So once that's done, I then take my hairspray, and I have the Elnet Satin, the extra strength for coloured hair, and I just spray like that. I'm gonna have a look at the back. Can I see? And there we have it. This is the simple top knot look. I think it's so effortless, so cool, so chic. You know, like I said before, running errands. It's kind of a Paris, like Parisian kind of vibe to me. I don't know why. It seems very, I don't know. So there we have it, guys. That's the look. I love the it's like kind of a unicorn kind of top knot. So there we are. Just, ugh, I keep getting creases on my... Now the weather has actually cooled down here, so I'm a lot happy about that. It's been absolutely boiling for like literally 3 months. So there we are, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the look. Stay tuned for more videos. I have a lot of videos. Can't speak. Stay tuned for more videos. I have got a lot of videos coming your way. Yeah. Haven't I got anything else to tell you guys? I have some more hauls coming, some stuff that I bought, which I can't wait to show you. So stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope everyone has a really good weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.